Yeah, welcome to the DC Live session on chai break. So this is probably going to be the last session. So let's wait for a few more minutes, hoping others join in. If not, yeah, we'll continue. Shakti, are you recording the session or something like that? Where you asked to do it? You're recording. Okay, great. Yeah. World Week is happening, and everybody, have geared up for. I mean, I believe that all teams are working on their projects right now, and we are also excited to look at your demos. Let me just explain the final submission requirements. So the requirements are just two things. One is going to be a demo video, and the other one is going to be a URL of your project. So that I'm not sure if everybody can deploy and all that. If you cannot get a shareable link, then all you can do is do a very good video. So you can start with the problem statement. What is your problem statement and how you have solved the problem, and then your demo. So the demo, it can, it can include all the modules of your project and all that. You can cover all these things, and then you can upload your demo presentation. That's not a demo, actually. It's your final presentation video. So usually we are going to use that to evaluate. So the link is not yet available in the website. So we are working on it. So hopefully by EOD today or tomorrow morning, you will get your submissions webpage active. So once it is active, you guys can go and, start submitting your final ideas and all that. So now we had this guidance sessions for this 1 week. So when we looked at it, there were few common questions that we thought we can have a session and we can explain it to them. So I have two people from Team Vikram. We have Yashavani and Rajanesh. So over to them. So they will give you a small session on backend integrations. So over to Yashavani.
Yeah, so hi guys. So today I'll be demonstrating how to integrate a Firebase with AppScript and Google Sheet for the backend. So this is my front end. So my front end, I have created a job dashboard. So here we'll be having an option to create a new dashboard. So this website, it's only for the admin. So like there's no role-based access. So here I'll be able to create a job with just the title and description, and the AI, it automatically detects the necessary technical skills from the JD. So this is my UI, which I have done with Firebase. So this create job, now when I create here, it will be stored in the backend. So the backend which I have done is using Google Sheets. So this is my backend. So it by default it assigns an ID for that particular job description, and for the job, the role and the description, and the time in which we created the job in that front end, that gets stored here. So this I have done using AppScript. So you can give your database about the details about your database to the Gemini or ChatGPT, and then you can create a Google Sheet based on the information you want it to store, and then based on that I have generated this app script. So this app script I have generated using Gemini. So by default, I after giving all the necessary information, I got this app script. So this app script, you will have to there's this extensions here and then app script. So based on your table and the details here, you can create your app script. And then after creating this app script, you can deploy it here. I've already deployed. You can just click on this new deployment. And then you have to execute from your ID, and then like anyone who has access, then only the Firebase will be able to access this deployment link. So this is how I deployed using app script. So Rajneesh will be demonstrating how to deploy using Firestore. So anyone has any doubt in this?
Yashavini, I have a doubt in this app script. Can we use this URL once you create this URL?
Yeah.
Can the other person who is not having a...
So this URL, it's public, so anyone can use it. So this URL is only for this app script. So this URL, I gave it to Gemini, and then you give your app script also to this Gemini here, and you tell it to use it for your backend, and it will.
Where is Gemini? I'm able to see Firebase Studio. Are you showing only
Firebase uses Gemini, right? Here, the chat,
okay,
the right part. So this is like it has integrated Gemini with it. So you can just give all the details, the deployment public URL here in this chat, and then the detail about your sheet, like what all column it has, and your app script details. So it will automatically integrate it to the backend. It will make a backend file in the Firebase. You don't have to code. So it will just automatically just add it to the code. And like as and when you get the error, you tell it to resolve it, and it resolves.
Okay, so now, say this one Firebase Studio, can we use it without any subscription for?
Yeah, I'm using it free.
Unlimited duration.
Yeah, unlimited duration. I created my account 2 months back, so I'm still using it.
Okay.
So I think Vinitha is limited to 3 workspaces. So you can use it on 3, but yeah, you can have only 3 workspaces at the moment.
Okay, workspace in the sense if we consider Google Sheet, one Google Sheet, that will be one workspace. Is it with
no, I will show you the workspace. Yeah. This is the workspace, like the one which I demonstrated now, like 3 different.
Okay. She has created 3 different workspaces.
Yes,
huh?
yeah.
Correct. So this entire web app is one workspace. So something like that.
Okay. Maybe I need to check something with Yashavini afterwards. Do you have some time, Yashavini, like 10-15 minutes?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
Yes, any other doubt with this? So over to Rajneesh, like he'll take the session using Firestore.
Okay, so the other way to use the database is we have Firestore database. Let me share my screen and show you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Rajneesh, yes.
Okay. So this is a Firestore database that I created for one of the project meeting room booking app. So here I have several tables that contains collections, and then that contains some details, bookings, room slots, etc. We have rules here that we can set. Let's say somebody logged in with an email ID. So what things is he will be able to do? We can restrict some, like we can restrict admin privileges to just admin. Let's say admin, I made a user admin and he has some, let's say I made myself admin and I have a email ID Rajneesh@desecure.com. in. So I can allow everything for me and read write all the permission on these tables. For others, I can restrict so that they can only change for their own things. Like let's say a user creates a new record, so he'll be able to delete that record only, and he won't be able to delete anyone else's details from here. And you'll be able to use this. So there is a JSON file that you need to download, and yeah, service account from here. You can generate a new private keys and you'll be able to use it. Let's say you want to use it in a Python code or a Node.js. So you can give this code as well as the JSON file to Gemini or like Fire Studio, and you can tell it to use these credentials to connect your Firestore database. You can create a new project, you give the JSON files, and then you tell it to create the new tables, and then you may ask GPT or like Firebase Studio itself to give the rules for this app, and you can copy paste the rules here. It is little complex, but you can still choose to go with Firestore.
So is it done, guys?
Yeah, I explained how to use.
Okay.
Is there any question?
So Rajneesh, what will you suggest? For example, so some people might be very new to this database and all that. So do you think we can go ahead with Google Sheets Firestore, the complexity? Maybe you can just share a few words.
Yeah, Firebase, it's little complex for somebody who is new to it.
Okay. So what do you suggest? Google Sheets is a better alternative for those
Yeah,
people?
Google Sheets with AppScript is totally fine.
Okay. Okay.
Rajneesh, do you know about Looker?
Looker Studio.
Yeah.
No, I don't have much idea. I have just explored it once.
Okay, no worries. Yep.
So any doubts on that, Pranita? We have worked on Looker Studio. Yeah. So you want to integrate anything from there, or?
Like I was looking for AppScript and Looker Studio, which is better? I worked with AppScript.
Okay. So I think they serve different purpose. So AppScript, mainly they are using it as, Shamini, you're using it as a webhook or something like that, AppScript?
No, I'm just using it normally for the backend.
Normally for the backend. Okay. So Looker Studio is actually for the front end, for the dashboards, right?
For the dashboard.
Yeah, Looker Studio is mainly for the dashboard. So you will connect Google Sheets. Usually for the Looker Studio, the DB is going to be Google Sheets. You can also connect other data sources, but usually it will be Google Sheets. And once you connect Google Sheets, all the data that you have in your Google Sheets, you can visualize them graphically using Looker Studio. So you can add charts and all that there, interactive charts and everything.
Okay.
But you can share it.
Okay,
but Yeah, it will not let you, you can't do any add a form or something that you cannot do. Like, I mean, I believe your dashboard for the QA dashboard, you will have lots of other features as well. I'm not sure if all the modules can be covered in Looker Studio. Like tracking if a particular, if you have any ticket that you raise any ticket or something like that, you can't do all that, but just for a visual representation, you can use Looker Studio. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Has Yashavini used Looker Studio? And do you know the Yashavini Looker Studio?
No, I have not.
So yeah, I have used Looker Studio.
Okay. I think I have to connect with you. I need something for the internal purpose.
Okay.
Do you have some 10-15 minutes?
Yeah, sure. We can.
After this call?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we can.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll ping you. Yeah. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So anybody else, any other clarifications regarding the hackathon as well? So as of now, the last date for submission is 15. So yeah, please hurry up with your demo. And the evaluations start from your presentation video. So yeah, guys, so, you can make it as attractive as you can so that it should be very clear and concise. By looking at the video, it has to be self-explanatory. We would have to know what was your project, what was your solution, how well you have executed it, that we need. And in case you guys you could deploy it, get a deployable link, a shareable link, you can share it with us. And if there are any test credentials, you can also attach it. So we'll also have a place where you can upload that file. So you can also add your test credentials. So we'll have a space for that as well. So they're all optional, but in case you guys have that, you can also share it with us so that we can also have, first-hand experience of your project. So yeah, so this is from my end. So in case you guys have any other queries, you can always, message. You can always ask us a query. Use this ask query in the Chybreak website. If you need any other technical guidance on your projects, you can always book a slot in the website, and we can definitely connect. So yeah, hope to see your completed projects. We are all excitedly waiting for that. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Any other questions you can ask? If else, I think that's it. Yeah. So, Shakti, I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, Shakti. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. Currently, yes, Firebase Studio is the paid one. So there is something called as a Spark, which has a free plan, but you might need, some technical knowledge for that. You can definitely look into ChatGPT. It will help you, ChatGPT or Gemini, or even the Firebase Studio's Gemini. You can also use that and see. There's something called Spark. So it will also help you deploy for free. You can test that. If you are not able to do it, maybe you can screen record all the modules, explain it clearly, and then submit the presentation video. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So thank you, Shakti. Any other doubts, anybody? I think if not, then yeah. So thank you for joining. So yeah, hope we will get some amazing submissions. Looking forward to all that. Thank you, team. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Shavni. Thank you, Rajneesh.